Hey Sunshines! Today's destination is the Daniel Boone National Forest in Kentucky. Me and Lonnie went there for about 3 days and we got to go on 3 separate trails and it was just amazing. I cannot wait to go back. I'm already planning another trip because I just want to see more. If you've been there before and can recommend some trails to me that you absolutely adored, please feel free to comment those below. And if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos from me, hit the subscribe. And without further ado, here we go. Thanks. And I lied. I forgot to mention one very important thing. When you're in the National Forest, it is a forest. Like, there's no paved roads. Like, you're walking through dirt and trees and everything. So if you do plan on going to any of these destinations, or actually any of the trails that are in the forest, please make sure that your phone has the GPS on and you have a downloaded map or a paper map, and make sure you have a compass, because some of it is pretty hard to navigate, and I'm very thankful and would probably still be lost in the forest if it wasn't for those things. Also, make sure you're kind of aware where you parked your car. We got out of the car and then used the compass to make sure we knew which direction the car would be so that we wouldn't be stranded in the middle of nowhere. So, for real now, without further ado, here we go.